Often, a deep psychological bond develops between a doctor and a patient. Yet, when the doctor needs to treat this patient, he needs some kind of a detachment. If it's too much emotionally involved with the patient, his treatment can't be proper. It may falter. So, this kind of emotional detachment is very very important. I know doctors who becomes upset seeing a road traffic accident, and yet if this victim is taken to the operation theater in front of him, he won't feel anything and he would go successfully on operating on the victim. When the surgeons operate, they often forget about the entire human being and they concentrate on that rectangular exposed area where they're doing the operation, concentrating on the blood vessels and tissues of particular that area. This kind of detachment, this kind of professionalism is really really important for good treatment. But on the other hand, this kind of psychological detachment can be very very stressful, and some people can get burnt out and they may leave this profession, and others can become overconfident, and they may start thinking themselves as gods or demigods. But they are nothing, metaphorically, they are nothing but competent service mechanics of a grand design, the human body of Mother Nature or God, whichever you want to believe in. Now, I was talking about the Mr. Shaw's case of serial killing of patients under him, who depended so much on him, everything upon him. Probably he was doing some kind of a mercy killing, that these elderly patients, they were really moribund. So why not remove their sufferings, take them off forever? But the mercy killing should be under strict guidelines. If somebody does it unilaterally, taking the whole responsibility himself, it is nothing but committing murder, completely illegal and a heinous crime. Recently, England and Wales have passed laws that assisted killing is now legal there for somebody who's suffering from intractable disease which cannot be cured and which are painful. So that's one of the advancements, but that should be done under strict legal guidelines, under proper supervision. Now, in this medical world, most of them are Dr. Jekylls. They are doing the best for the mankind, but there are and there would be some Mr. Hydes, and that is we have to prevent, or we have to remain vigilant of. And because if you are entrusted with the responsibility of looking after a human body, you must be very very integral, honest and compassionate in your mind. Otherwise, there's always this provocation of crime taking you down the darkest slope. If you like my videos, please like it, and I would be delighted if you subscribe my channel.